Welcome to Techno Spark Academy. Today we are going to do a scratch program. Dress up your Sprite. For this activity, we need a Sprite. So we take a Sprite, which dress we want to change, and a dress, goggles, and backdrop. Let's start the code. Choose the dress Sprite. Let's start the code. When the project starts, green flag is clicked, the Sprite moves to the front layer so it appears above all other objects. Each time you click on the Sprite, its color changes, effect increases by 25, creating a fun visual change. When you press the spacebar, the Sprite switches to its next costume, which can create animation or different looks. Choose the goggle Sprite. When you press the up arrow key, the Sprite's color changes, effect increases by 25. The Sprite switches to the next costume. So each time you press the up arrow key, the Sprite will change its look and color together, creating a simple animation effect. Our coding part is complete. Let's run the code.